Hey everybody, Shu here. Today we're at Lake Lenape. And as you can tell, it is raining. Doesn't stop having a fire though. Got the solar panels out, but I don't think it's going to do much good. If you're ever here and you're in Site 7, there's a little trail off to the side here. That's why we love this site for. You can come right down here. Sorry for the jumping of the camera. You can come right down here and you are literally right on the lake. And yes, that is a lighthouse on a lake. But they're supposed to have some boat races, so hopefully the sky will clear. I doubt it, but right over there, I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it in the camera or not, there's a crane there that lowers all the high-speed boats and they go flying around in circles out here. So we'll see how this day turns out. But this is Lake Lenape, and this is site number 7. For nighttime, I even hooked up my little lights here. Got the little fire pit going on here. Even got the light for in here. It just goes off a little switch here. And there's the solar panels. Doesn't look like we're gonna have a fire today, but we'll see how the day turns out. Yesterday it was raining hard, then it cleared up really nice and pretty, but this is a pretty good view. There's a lake beyond them trees. It's kind of hard to see right now because of the rain, but I just figured I'd pop in and give you an update. So, until next time.